At best means at most or according to the highest estimate. Bar none means with no exceptions. Batter up means the first person should get ready to start now. Be my guest mean help yourself or after you. Be that as it may means even though that may be true. Be the case means to be true, describing an actual situation. Be there or be square means you really must come to the event. Bear up means be brave, show courage. Beat it means go away, get out. Beats me means I don't know the answer. I can't figure it out. The question has me stumped. The stress is on me. Believe you me means you'd better take my word for it, or you really should believe me. Best of luck means I wish you good luck. Bottoms up means toast, refers to bottom of the drinking glasses. Boy howdy means an exclamation of excited surprise. Bravo means a cheer of praise for someone who has done something very well. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more daily lessons and contents, and also remember to hit that like button. Break it up means stop fighting, stop arguing. Bully for you means an expression that praises someone or someone's courage. Butt out means go away and mind your own business. By all means yes, absolutely. Call again means please visit the shop again sometimes. Can it means be quiet, stop talking. Channel someone means to copy or imitate someone's action or philosophy. Charmed means an expression said after being introduced to someone. Check means that is correct, that is accounted for. Close but no cigar means close but not close enough to win. Come and get it means dinner's ready, come eat. Come off it means don't act haughty, stop acting that way. Where is your powder room means a polite way to ask to use the bathroom in someone's home. Curdle someone's blood means to frighten or disgust someone severely. Cut me some slack means please give a little leeway or allow me some flexibility in meeting the requirements. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. Remember to like the video and to subscribe to my channel for more daily lessons and contents. Make sure you watch my prior contents as well. I'm Steve and I will see you tomorrow.